What if there was a tool in which you can enter the prompt for something you want to buy? It will do all the research by browsing the necessary web pages and even surfing through Reddit, and pull out the exact stuff in your mind. Does it seem like something in science fiction? Well then, you are not ready for this insane AI tool. It's called Gorilla, Microsoft's almost AGI. It's almost as clever as a human, and it's good at moving around the internet, learning new tools, and doing complex tasks by using different API calls. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence, thanks to the horrible acronym naming of our fellow AI nerds. It refers to a type of artificial intelligence that has the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks and domains, similar to human intelligence. It aims to mimic human-like reasoning abilities and adaptability. AGI has the potential to reason, comprehend natural languages, solve problems, and perform a variety of tasks without being limited to a predefined set of functions. The AI model Gorilla is created in collaboration by Microsoft and UC Berkeley and possesses the ability to independently interact with a range of online tools through API calls. API stands for Application Programming Interface. API calls refer to the requests made by a program or application to interact with another software component, service, or platform. These calls are like a set of rules or instructions that allow different software systems to communicate and exchange information. When a program wants to use the capabilities of another system, it sends an API call to request specific actions or data. This enables software to work together, share resources, and perform tasks without needing to understand each other's internal workings. Think of it like asking a friend for a favor. When you want your friend to help you with something, you ask them by talking to them or sending a message. In the same way, when one computer program wants to use the tools or information of another program, it sends a special kind of message called an API call. Gorilla outperforms OpenAI's GPT-4 in swiftly interacting with APIs. This Meta LLaMA, or Large Language and Massive API model, has been meticulously refined to increase its proficiency in executing API calls and collaborating with external tools. Notably, Gorilla is a self-contained model capable of making accurate API calls without the need for additional coding. The team behind Gorilla has designed it to function within a broader ecosystem, offering versatile integration possibilities with various other tools. But what makes Gorilla stand out from other AI models like ChatGPT? Gorilla learns in real time from online resources, adjusting to modifications and managing complex tasks across different platforms, in contrast to other language models. Gorilla, which functions as an LLM, that is, a large language model, possesses the capability to generate suitable API calls. Its training draws from 3 extensive machine learning hub datasets like TorchHub, TensorFlow Hub, and Hugging Face. Currently, the creators are actively expanding its expertise to include new domains like Kubernetes, GCP, AWS, OpenAI, and others. And because of this, remarkably, zero-shot Gorilla outperforms GPT-4, ChatGPT, and Claude. It boasts remarkable reliability and notably reduces hallucination errors. Remember the numerous instances where we got the unicorn answers from ChatGPT? That is called hallucination. Hallucination refers to a situation where the model generates text that is not accurate or factual. This can happen when the LLM tries to generate content that it hasn't seen in its training data or when it guesses rather than providing accurate information. Obviously, hallucination is considered a challenge in LLMs, as they aim to provide relevant and factual responses based on the input they receive. According to researchers, Gorilla effectively reduces hallucinations and empowers adaptable user updates or version modifications. In the research, a prompt, "Help me find an API to convert the spoken language into recorded audio to text using TorchHub," was given for GPT-4, Claude, and Gorilla. GPT-4 suggested a non-existent model. Claude suggested an incorrect library, while Gorilla accurately identified the task and recommended a fully qualified API call. So, as per the researchers' paper, Gorilla surpasses both GPT-4 and Anthropic's Claude when it comes to achieving greater accuracy in API functionality, as well as in minimizing errors related to hallucination. Additionally, Gorilla has the capability to reach out to an external database containing API definitions from various documents. This feature helps Gorilla to access new APIs without necessitating retraining. Through Gorilla, developers have the capacity to formulate problem descriptions in plain language, like invoke an image classification model that uses less than 10 million parameters, but maintains an ImageNet accuracy of at least 70%. Subsequently, Gorilla can generate the necessary Python code to invoke the suitable machine learning model with the proper options. So how does Gorilla do this compared to other large language models? Gorilla has undergone specific training to communicate with online tools using API commands. This enhanced ability allows Gorilla to perform tasks with improved precision and achieve better results. It's like Gorilla has a better grasp of what to say to ensure tasks are carried out correctly. It is built to manage tasks that stretch across various platforms and fields. It can adjust to modifications in documentation and updates to APIs, enabling it to engage with a variety of online tools and platforms. Gorilla possesses the ability to carry out complex tasks demanding multiple API calls or logical thinking across diverse areas. These qualities of flexibility and adaptability grant Gorilla with significant potency and versatility as an AI model, helping it to effectively manage a wide range of varied tasks. It seems to me that the Gorilla is the AGI. What about you? Wait, before answering that, let's take a look at the different challenges in front of this LLM. What are the limitations of Gorilla? Although Gorilla seems like a highly advanced AI model, when it comes to attaining artificial general intelligence, it does encounter certain limitations. Gorilla's functioning depends on data and documentation created by humans. Its learning process heavily relies on existing online materials, which implies it might lack access to fully inclusive or impartial information. No doubt, this dependence on human-generated data could potentially restrict its capacity to independently grasp and interpret the world. This won't come as a shocker, but Gorilla falls short in areas of creativity, emotional comprehension, and common sense reasoning. Just like the other large language models, its strength lies in executing tasks rooted in already established knowledge and rules. So it may face challenges when confronted with tasks demanding innovative solutions, emotional insight, or complex decision-making. In contrast, achieving artificial general intelligence would need the inclusion of these more advanced cognitive capacities. Another problem worth mentioning is that Gorilla's abilities are confined to interacting with online tools via API calls. Although it excels at various tasks within this digital world, it might struggle to apply its skills to physical or real-world scenarios. So some might say, AGI is not here yet. Achieving artificial general intelligence would need the capacity to easily navigate and engage with the physical world. So the truth is that even though Gorilla showcases remarkable AI capabilities, it does not include the complete range of skills essential for attaining artificial general intelligence. But we can say that Gorilla, without a doubt, brings us closer to the AI. Do you think so? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more new videos about the AI world. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.